Okay, so no time like the present to make a calculator programming tutorial thing. So this is the tutorial on the SolveN function, aka literally just solver, but better in every possible way. So what the SolveN function does is it basically solves for the roots of any function. So to get to it, you're going to want to press Option, and then F4 for calc, and then F5 for SolveN. And then you're going to want to put a close paren on the opposite side of it. And then you'll just put your function inside. So for example, let's say that the function that I want to find the roots of is x squared minus 5x minus 6. That's a good function right there. And, you could factor this in your head if you want. I'm not really sure why you'd want to, considering once we run this, it'll just output the roots. And, yeah, there they are. They're the roots. Both of them. Unlike Solver, which exists on the same calculator, and this is literally just a better version of that. So why don't they just put that in Solver? I'm very annoyed by this. Anyway. So you're probably wondering, okay, that's great. It can solve for the roots of a function, but what if I want a function like, say, ln x equals, I don't know, log sine x plus 1. Obviously you can't put that in the, that's not what I meant to do. I meant to copy and paste that in. Anyway, as I was saying, you obviously can't just put that in and expect it to solve it. Oh. Seriously? Huh. Is that right? Hang on. Okay, so what I'm doing here to test that is I'm going to assign the output to this to a list. Then I'm going to see what happens. Alright, so that did that. And then I'm going to go here. And list 1 is that number. And list 1, index 1, is that number without being in a list. I'm going to assign that to x, and let's see. ln x, what was it? ln x is that. And log, what was it? Log sine x plus 1. Log sine x plus 1 is, okay, so I stand corrected. You can literally use this thing for anything. You could just, this is just better solver. Like, there's no way around this. This is literally just better solver in every possible way. You can literally just take any solver equation and throw it in here, and it works. Why have we not been using this? Okay, so this is my speculation. I think that's because they didn't want the SAT and ACT people to be like, hey, that calculator is too overpowered, you can't use it. So they hid it in the programming section, which kind of sucks. Oh, by the way, background knowledge, to create a new programming file, it's F3, name the file whatever you want, start typing, whatever, and then exit to exit the file, and F1 to run it. That's just how you run a programming file. If you want to use this for yourself and you don't know how to program. Anyway, that's all, folks. Have fun with this. I'm definitely going to have fun with this. Bye.